Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Esther and I teach people how to make money online if you are in Nigeria especially or all over the world. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make your first $5 without any referral. I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your $5 and how you can get $500 from this site and withdraw it to your wallet straight up without even using PayPal account. So if you want how to get this money, just stay tuned and see how I used to do it every day and see how I used to get my $5 without even letting anybody know I'm earning $5 every day. So stay tuned and let's dive into the video. Welcome to the screen of my phone. So I've already copied the referral link and I want to paste it on my browser now because you're making your first $5 by registering with the link, and then you will see it live on the site. So the site that we want to go to, the minimum withdrawal is $500, but you'll be making your first $5 now, like you see me making it live now. So I will go to Opera Mini and paste my referral link. So I want to register a new account right now, and then on this site it is by you get money by like click on ads. You see it, I will display it for you right now on my phone screen. So I'm going to paste the link I copied. I'm going to paste it and then go to the site. Yes. So now I'm on the site. The name of the site is Dreams Work, and then Dreams Work provides you entertainment and great. You'll be seeing ads like this. Just cancel it. You are not here for this ad. Just cancel it. So you say that Dream Works provide you entertainment and a great employment opportunity, enabling you to earn from home while creating more awareness over programmers field and work. So you just click on get started. Remember that I came in through this site through my referral link. So after that, I will click on create an account. I want to register a new account now. I'll click on create an account, then it will bring me to this place. So this Abidemi here is my username over there. So like this is I followed my referral link. That's why I'm having Abidemi. And listen here, this is your username. You want to enter your username, but don't start with capital letter. Like your username should be small letter all through. Small letter all through. Let me think of one name. Small letter. Mary Jesus, yes. So then I will put one of my email. Okay. Then you change your country, like my country. So if you're in anywhere all over the world, just to choose your country here. I'm in Nigeria, then I will just put my phone number. I can just put one random phone number. It's one. Okay. Then I'll put my password. Then click on register now. See guys, this site is real. Like one of my friends cashed out $736. I'm going to show you the proof at the end of this video. Then you put your first name. I'm just doing this for registration because I've already registered before. You can earn money. You can earn money without referring anybody. And this is your zip code. Just put any random 6-digit numbers. Let it to be 6, please. Any number. Don't give yourself stress. Then I'm still going to put Lagos. then I'll click on submit. But make sure that the username you'll be using here is in small, like it's in small letter. You can see these are $5 now, and this is the first $5 we are making. So after that, to start earning on this site, just click on this 3 line here and click on PTC, then click on ads. You just want to earn money by clicking on ads. I'm going to show you how we are going to make $5. Now we are making $5 every day. So like we have ads here, we have 25 ads here. You can see that we have $0.20, like we'll be earning 20 cents for every ads we click here. And then the duration of the ad is 5 seconds. You can see it's 5 seconds here. So what we are going to do is that when you click on 25 ads here, then you are going to get $5. So what you are going to do is that you click on one ad now. You can see view ad. You click on the ad, wait for it to load. You click on the ad, wait for it. You will answer simple mathematics to make sure that you are not a robot that is answering the question. As you can see, we've already clicked on the ad, and then it is going to load up. Then it's going to load up. When it is 100%, then you will see this simple mathematics here. Like they are telling you to do this to prove that it is not a bot that is answering the question, that is doing the task. They want to confirm if it is human being that is doing this task. So 1 + 9 is 10. So then confirm him. So they help me confirm it. Now we have 20 cents that are added to our $5. So like I will click on another ad, then it will load up. So when it gets to 100%, then we solve the simple mathematics to prove that we are not a robot. So 2 + 6 is 8. So then confirm him. It will add up. So we have 5.40 cents. Then click another one. That's where you will do it till you click on the 25 ads, which we load up and get to $5 per day. So 1 + 7 is 8. So that is that for that, and that's the way you will earn your money every day. On this site, it's not a must for you to refer people. It is not a must to refer people. If you are doing this every day, you'll be getting $5. So if you can do this and you earn up to $500, then you are good to go to withdraw your money. So let me show you the withdrawal process. Just click on withdraw. When your money is up to $500, then you can withdraw money from this place. So just click on select gateway, then choose USDT TRC20. It's a crypto, like you are going to get money here through crypto. So you can see the limit is 500 to 10,000 USD. So if you should enter, maybe you get to $500 now. If you should enter it, they're going to charge you $10, and I think that is not much. So you'll be getting $419, and it is that day you are going to get the money in your crypto balance. So if you want me to show you how to open a crypto wallet on Binance, just let me know in the comment section. Because if you want to withdraw your money, you are not creating a paper account here, you are getting your money through crypto. and it is very, very safe and secured. Yeah. So after getting your money, that's the way you withdraw your money. So if you have 500 or above, like, you can withdraw. That my friend that withdrew from this site, he withdrew over $700 and he got it that day. As you can see here, this money here is not fake, it is real and real here, guys. So like, if you have 500 USD, $500, then you should be able to withdraw it, and you are going to withdraw it to that crypto wallet. You are going to withdraw it through crypto. So it's not as if you'll be creating paper account, or this thing is for everybody. Even if you don't have a crypto wallet and you know somebody that have a crypto wallet that you trust, you can just collect their crypto wallet address and then send your money to the wallet. But if you want me to create a video on how to open account on Binance, or how to put you through on how to get your own personal crypto wallet, just let me know in the comment section. So if you want me to always bring you videos like this, just let me know in the comment section that, Esther, please bring it on. We want more videos like this. I'll surely bring it. So this is how you are going to make your $5 every day till you get to $500. But referral is not compulsory. It's not a must for you to refer people before you get paid here. So see you in my next video. Thanks so much for sticking by, and if you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and comment below that, Esther, I like your video. Thanks so much for staying tuned to the end.